In this session, we are going to revisit what we learnt in session 1, learn how to sing the champion section, learn how to play the ending, and then perform the whole piece. So let's get started, let's get ready to sing and play.
We'll be learning 2 instrumental parts to this song. The first part is marked in red and is on the top. The second part is marked in blue and is on the bottom.
Listen to me sing the rhythm. E, C, E, F, G, D. E, C, E, F, G, D. Now you try singing with me and move your fingers over the keys of your clarinet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, C, E, F, G, D. E, C, E, F, G, D. It sounds like this. Now you try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to look at the blue part, the second part. It goes E, F, E, F, E, D. E, F, E, F, E, D. Sing that with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F, E, F, E, D. E, F, E, F, E, D. Let's play it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. We are now going to look at the last section of Hall of Fame. Okay, we're going to look at the first part first and then the second part. Sing with me. E, C, E, F, G, D. E, C, E, F, G, D. Okay, at that point we then repeat it exactly the same again, and as soon as we get to where the 2 little dots are, then we play E, 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 E. Come and try and play that with me now. Here we go. 3, 4. Well done. Let's now look at the second part. Sing it with me. Here we go. 3, 4. E, F, E, F, E, D. E, F, E, F, E, D. And don't forget to play the 4 E's right at the very end. E, 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 E. Come on, try playing that with me now. Here we go. 3, 4. Well done.
Before we get to the end of the piece, we have one more singing section to learn. It's time for our performance now. You will hear an introduction of 4 bars of music. You will hear the same piece of music each time before we play or sing throughout the piece. We play our little 2-bar phrase 4 times on our instruments. Then we will sing the verse and the chorus. Then we will sing the champions section. Then we will play our little 2-bar phrase again 4 times, followed by our 4-note ending to finish the piece. Are you ready? Let's play and sing.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more wicket pieces coming your way soon.